Having an outstanding outcome in your projects is not just depending on your craftsmanship, it also depends on your communication. In this short video, we're going to talk about the four most fundamental terms that you need to use in woodworking, especially if you work with other people, and that will help ensure that you all have the same idea, you keep the same dimensions, and you do not make silly mistakes. Believe me, we have made mistakes because we did not communicate correctly, and learning these basic skills is actually a very important construct and very important step in you becoming a craftsman and a very good woodworker. So even though we rarely talk about it, it's not only technique, it's not only equipment, it's not only material. It is very important as well to communicate effectively and clearly with your partners. Hello friends, and welcome to a Wednesday Quickie. I am Professor DIY, and behind the camera is Mrs. DIY. One of the constant problems when you work with other people in woodworking is terminology, right? How you communicate. So today we're going to have a fun little video about terminology, and we're going to use our latest project. So when you talk about terminology, it's always a relationship to the project, right? So as I'm facing the project, the front to back, it's the depth of the project, right? Mm-hmm. The side to side is the width of the project.
Yeah.
And the top of the project to the floor is the height of the project. Now, when you talk about components, that is a little different because this is a component of the project, right? The
right.
top. The front and back is still the same. That is the depth. The side to side is the width, but the top to bottom is actually thickness. Mm-hmm. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
But in general, when you want to talk about it, and I know even though me and Mrs. DIY and Lupita have worked together for years, sometimes that's confusing because we forget it's always the reference, right? Like if I change my reference, this becomes the width.
Right.
And that becomes the depth, right? So when you're talking, keep in mind, it's always front, back, side to side, top to bottom, or top to floor, right?
And right to left and left to right.
Yeah, you know, left to right and right to left remain the same. There's no change there. So I hope that helps you a little bit in your journeys. We just wanted to come and have a little bonus video for you and show you that no matter how long you have done woodworking, there are always going to be challenges when you work with other people because your mind and your perspective can be a little different than theirs.
Definitely. And when you're thinking about a project, you always visualize something in your head that may not be exactly the way your partner is visualizing it. And so we often come to a point where we have to stop and actually draw something so that we are all looking at it from the same viewpoint.
But this has become beautiful.
It is. It's really good.
No time to finish it yet, but...
Very happy with the outcome on that. And I know that Elpida is very happy as well.
We'll take the pictures and post them for you guys. Well, we hope you enjoyed this little episode, and if you did, we'll appreciate your support and a thumbs up. From Professor DIY and Mrs. DIY, let's learn something together.